Welcome back, Society Polishers. Today we're talking about mastering the art of consistent brand content. So I want to welcome you. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the buzzer so you can be tuned for our upcoming lessons. So let's jump on in. So get ready to take your personal brand to the next level by mastering the art of consistent content creation. So it's all about keeping our audience engaged for awesomeness. All right. So you have some information that you want to really give out to your audience, and we have to keep this in mind. If you want to slay the content game, you have to remain consistent, okay? And keep a consistent online presence to captivate your audience like a pro. So consistency is key. Establish a content strategy starting by writing out everything that you want to say for the month. Okay. Some of you guys may want to plan ahead for 3 months, but if you want to start small, plan out your content for at least 1 month. So, there's 30 to 31 days a month. I would literally get out a sheet of paper, write down the left hand column 1 through 31. You're going to write out the exact title idea for each video that you want to create. You're going to write 31 topics down. Even if this takes you one whole hour, you're going to write out every topic idea that you have to produce for the next 31 days. Because guess what? When you establish that content strategy and stick to it, this helps you remain consistent because guess what? You have time throughout that month to refine everything. As I say from the beginning, when it comes to building a personal brand, once you've already defined your brand's voice, your brand's tone, style, you're going to basically let that shine throughout every piece of your content. So when you come up with your ideas, the topic ideas, like your actual titles for the upcoming videos, it shouldn't be too hard for you to create that next piece of content. And your audience is going to recognize and appreciate you, and they're going to appreciate you for your content, you for you, and for your unique brand identity. So plan, okay? I want you guys to start creating an editorial calendar that's going to keep you organized and make sure that you have a steady flow of content. So first, like I said, you're outlining your topics. Then you're going to schedule your publishing dates ahead of time. You're going to plan out, okay, I want this topic to go out on Monday, this topic to go out on Tuesday. You want to stay ahead of the game and avoid any last minute planning, any last minute stress, to make sure you're able to deliver consistent content like clockwork. Okay. So first and foremost, we want to embrace variety, of course. So in order to keep your content fresh and engaging, you want to explore the different formats such as videos, blogs, posts, podcasts, social media graphics. You want to be able to mix it up and surprise your audience because guess what? People love a diverse range of content that showcases your expertise and personality. As you guys can see here, I love to do my videos, my long form videos. I go live from time to time. I throw in shorts where, I give you educational content, comedian content where I'm playing around with different filters. Now I'm on the podcast. You want to give your audience quality over quantity. So it is better if you are just starting out to create just a few pieces of exceptional content rather than flooding the channels with mediocre ones. You want to make sure that you're delivering value, giving them authentic content that's going to make a lasting impact. Okay. So they'll appreciate the more care and effort that you put into each and every creation. So of course, when you take the time out to do this, you'll have content that you can repurpose like a boss. So repurposing your content is when you're not allowing your content to go to waste. Anything that you've done already in the past, you repurpose, which is another word for recycling your best ideas that you've already put out on different platforms and formats, and you can turn those into different forms. So for example, if you have a captivating video, you can transform that video and just use the audio and use it for an engaging podcast episode. So this is going to maximize your reach and efficiency. So next thing that I want to mention for you guys is to engage with your audience. Respond to comments when they come in, ask for feedback, making sure that you create a community around your content. So building meaningful connections with your audience is not only going to keep them coming back for more, it's just going to help you be able to get more insightful, valuable insights for future content ideas. So remember, as I always say, Rome was not built in one day. Consistent content creation is definitely a journey. So just be patient with yourself, create realistic goals for you, celebrate those milestones along the way, and enjoy the process of owning into your craft, because your dedication will pay off and your personal brand will flourish. So if you're ready to really become the content queen or the content king by creating consistent content that wows your audience, takes them to new heights, be sure to get in with our community, which is the Polish Vibe Connect. We have a community with all like-minded professionals who are on the same journey. If you would like more information, be sure to check the link down below. And if you're new in this journey, just building your personal brand from scratch, be sure to get our best-selling course, which is the self-study course, where you'll learn everything that I started from beginning to end, step-by-step process of building your brand from scratch, and where you'll be able to learn how to package everything you know, your expertise, into a signature program. So if you guys enjoyed this lesson and this content, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, stay polished in for the win.